How to BUI $DOGEAI Doge AI Agent Token Crypto Coin. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The information provided does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. How to buy DOGEAI Agent Token, OGI. In today's video, I will show you how to purchase the DOGEAI Agent Token, also known as OGI. Before we begin, please note that I am not a financial expert, and this is not investment advice. Always conduct thorough research before engaging with any project or token. If you're interested in participating in the world of cryptocurrency, here's a general guide to help you get started with purchasing the DOGEAI Agent Token. Step 1. Stay informed. Before you buy any token, it's important to stay updated on its development. Make sure to follow the project's official channels, including its DX account and Telegram group, for updates and announcements. This will help ensure you're up to date on any important news or changes related to the token. Step 2. Prepare your wallet. To buy DOGEAI Agent Token, you'll need a wallet that supports the network this token operates on. In this example, I will be using the Fun wallet. Make sure you have enough Solana, SOL, in your wallet, as this token operates on the Solana network. Step 3. Copy the token address. Next, visit the platform where the DOGEAI Agent Token is listed and copy the token's address. This is critical to ensure you are buying the correct token. Step 4. Swap tokens. Open your wallet and navigate to the swap section. Paste the copied token address in the recipient field. Enter the amount of DOGEAI Agent Token you'd like to buy. You will be able to see how much of the token you will receive in return. After that, you'll need to select a provider for the transaction. Many users opt for Jupiter, but be sure to double-check for the best option and read any associated information before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the swap. Once everything looks good, click on Swap, and you'll be redirected to the provider's page to complete the transaction. Make sure you double-check all the details and fees involved. Step 6. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, such as a failed transaction, try adjusting the slippage tolerance. This can usually be done on the same page where you initiate the swap. Sometimes, minor changes in slippage can resolve the problem. That's it. You've now learned how to purchase the DOGEAI Agent Token, OGI, safely. Reminder: always do your own research, DYOR, and be cautious when investing in any cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and investing always carries risks. Disclaimer: again, this video is for informational purposes only. The content shared here is not financial advice. Please conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.